Hey everyone, Nut For You Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot Cheetos chicken nuggets. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 6 ounces of cooked chicken. I'm just using canned chicken that I drained and rinsed and dried off and kind of shredded with my hands. 1 egg, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And then I am going to coat these in 3 bags of Flamin' Hot Cheetos and 2 bags of just regular Cheetos. I just mixed them together with my NutriBullet. Preheat your oven to 400 and line a large cookie sheet with parchment paper. In my NutriBullet, I have my cheese on the bottom and then my chicken and then my egg, and I'm just going to pulse that until it is combined. This is what it should look like. Now we're just going to form 10 to 16 chicken nuggets, and then I'm going to go ahead and coat mine in the hot Cheeto mixture and then place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. My Flamin' Hot Cheeto chicken nuggets are ready to go into the oven for 10 minutes at 400, and then we're going to flip them and bake them an additional 5 to 10 minutes. My hot Cheeto chicken nuggets are out of the oven. They cooked for 10 minutes. I flipped them and cooked them an additional 10 minutes. They are very hot, but they look and smell amazing. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester. Have a little taste.
Okay. Damn, that's good.
Is it spicy?
No.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.